Polling for the sixth phase of assembly elections in West Bengal is currently underway in 43 constituencies. The polling commenced at 7 a.m. and will conclude at 6:30 p.m. amid tight security arrangements. The Election Commission has deployed security forces across 10,897 polling booths. In a bid to curtail the spread of COVID-19 cases in West Bengal, the independent body has reduced the election campaign period to 72 hours before the voting date. The Delhi High Court slammed the centre for exhausting the supply of oxygen at many private hospitals in the national capital. Max Healthcare had filed a petition in Delhi High Court over the shortage of oxygen cylinders in the hospital. The High Court judges sought an explanation from the centre as to why the centre isn't diverting oxygen from petroleum and steel industries to give it to COVID-19 patients. Maharashtra government announced a complete lockdown starting from April 22nd to May 1st, 2021. The state government has further banned inter-district and intercity travel except for emergency and non-avoidable reasons. According to the advisory, all government offices, state and central, will operate with 15% attendance except for emergency services. India registered 3.14 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing the overall tally to 1,59,30,965. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll in the country stands at 1,84,657. States and union territories such as Delhi, Karnataka and Kerala continue to witness the highest number of cases in the country. Amid rising COVID-19 cases among Delhi police personnel, the Delhi government has set up COVID care centres in Shadara, Rohini and Dwarka. According to Delhi police spokesperson Chinmoy Biswal, the doctors are being provided by GTB hospital and nurses and paramedic staff to treat the police personnel. Prime Minister Modi will be speaking at the opening day of a two-day virtual summit on the climate crisis on April 22nd. The US President Joe Biden has invited around 40 world leaders, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, Chinese Premier Xi Jinping. The summit is part of a series of global meetings focusing on climate. In a first, NASA's Perseverance rover has converted carbon dioxide from the Martian atmosphere into oxygen. According to the space agency, this is a critical first step at converting carbon dioxide to oxygen on Mars. NASA's Space Technology Mission Directorate, Jim Reiter, hopes that future versions of the experimental instrument could pave the way for future human exploration. Bollywood actor-producer John Abraham is set to remake South star Prithvirajs Sukumaran starrer Malayalam film Ayappanum Koshiyum in Hindi. Ayappanum Koshiyum is an action thriller that is written and directed by Sachi of Anarkali fame. Besides the remake, the Bollywood actor is also producing Tara vs. Bilal featuring Harshvardhan Rane and Angira Dhar. Sunrisers Hyderabad registered their first win against Punjab Kings in the IPL match 2021. Sunrisers Hyderabad defeated the Punjab Kings by 9 wickets. Johnny Bairstow was adjudged man of the match.